Most AI tools today are useful, but they still depend on you to do most of the work.
You open one tool for research, another tool for writing, another tool for data, another tool for posting, another tool for team updates,
And before you know it, your AI workflow starts feeling like another full-time job. So in today's video, we are looking at a platform called Agents Hub.
Agents Hub is an AI agent platform built for creating autonomous digital employees. And the idea is pretty simple. Instead of using AI only as a chatbot, Agents Hub lets you build AI agents that can take on specific roles, use skills, connect with tools, and work together inside your business.
Not just chat, not just prompts, actual agents that are designed to do work.
With Agents Hub, you can build your own AI agent from scratch, acquire ready-made agents from the marketplace, give them skills, connect them to tools, and manage them together as a full AI workforce.
So instead of hiring another person for every repetitive task or manually jumping between 10 different tools, you can start building digital employees that help with content, research, marketing, operations, support, sales, and more.
Agents Hub is built around 4 main sections: Assistant, Skills, Agents, and Workforce. The first section is Assistant. Assistant is where you can chat with top AI models like Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, and other leading LLMs. But the important part is that you can also use the Assistant to create agents. For example, you can simply say, "Create a YouTube SEO analyst agent that analyzes my channel, finds keyword opportunities, improves titles, studies competitors, and suggests video ideas." Instead of only giving you advice, Agents Hub can help turn that request into an actual agent setup with a role, instructions, and useful skills. Then you have skills. Skills are the actions your agents can perform. So if you are creating a YouTube SEO analyst agent, the skills could include checking channel data, analyzing video titles, finding keyword gaps, studying competitors, or preparing SEO suggestions. This is where the platform becomes more useful than a normal chatbot, because the agent is not just responding, it is being given actual capabilities. Next, you have agents. This is where your digital employees live. Each agent can have its own role, instructions, skills, knowledge, and purpose. You can create agents for content writing, lead research, customer support, sales, YouTube SEO, social media, operations, or any repetitive workflow you want to simplify. And once an agent is created, you can still edit it, test it, adjust its instructions, add skills, connect knowledge, and improve it over time. Then there is Workforce. This is where multiple agents can work together inside one workflow. One agent can research, another can analyze, another can write, and another can update a sheet, send a message, or pass the result to another tool.
So instead of using AI as one chatbot, Agents Hub lets you build a small AI team where different agents handle different parts of the process.
There is also a marketplace where you can find ready-made agents, skills, and workflow templates. So if you do not want to build everything from scratch, you can start with something already available and customize it for your own use case. Agents Hub also supports connections with tools like LinkedIn, YouTube Analytics, Google Sheets, Slack, and more. That means the agents are not limited to a chat window. They can be connected to the tools where work actually happens. And that is the main reason Agents Hub is interesting.
So that was a quick look at Agents Hub. If you are trying to move beyond normal AI chatbots and want to build agents that can handle repeatable tasks, this is definitely a platform worth checking out. You can try Agents Hub using the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to Uprising AI, and I'll see you in the next one.